Hello everyone. So, welcome to the last raid of the day. So far we've done Mega Lucario and Mega Garchomp. If this lets me work. There we go. So, this time we're going to be at the front putting Garchomp and Lucario. Okay, so, when this Pokemon is acquired and captured, which I should be able to do, because I can do that, and I'm good. Like you saw I caught the other two. Anyway, I'm making a video battling with all three in one team. Since one's a legendary and it's above the Great League cap, I cannot use it yet, but don't worry, soon I will have a video out of all three. I'll put it down in my reminders and I'll remind myself of it. It should be sometimes very soon, since today or tomorrow, later or tomorrow, will be the time that we officially get the new season, which might have the Ultra League. Ultra League. There's no normal league, because I'm not going, because that just makes no sense. There's only the top 3 balls in the whole game, not including the Premier Ball, because Master Premier. Anyway, enough about that. The whole point is I'll get the video out soon, and if you complain when I don't even have a chance to make the video, then you're just being annoying and you're a hater. Okay, well that we're now out of the way, time to just actually fight this Pokemon. We have our second Garchomp and we have our 2 Kyrums. Nice to see some Kyrums in here, of course. I'm running away because I love dodging, because it reduces the damage you take. We're halfway there. Not living on a prayer. Because I know someone in the comments might put that down. I don't know why, I just have this feeling. Anyway, enough about random stuff. Actually now, no more lies, I will be doing this raid. How have I still got my Pokemon alive? I do not know. Probably because of all the dodging and this resisting. Oh, we both died at the same time. That shows how useless that is. The dodging mechanic. Oh yeah. This is strong because of the weather. Which means my charged move can absolutely demolish. And he's gone in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and he's gone in 3, 2, 1. And he's gone in now. Cool. Let's see the exact amount of CP we're going to be catching him at. 2,476. That's actually pretty nice, since it's weather boosted and I didn't even want it to be. Well, all of my Pokemon, I'm not sure about the first one, but my other 2 I can confirm are weather boosted. Don't know how we've not got 8,888 Stardust yet. Yeah, it's weather boosted, as you can see right there. Would it be crazy if I can get this on first try too? Wouldn't it? Oh, 2 shakes. That's pretty good. I've been able to save my berries for this. I need an excellent throw. Can you stop? I'm trying to catch you, so I need you to can get all 3 for the index. Be a massive help. Especially this one, since he's one of the main ones I'm struggling to get in the index. for my. If you know, I'm really pretty close to getting the whole original one. I don't know the name for it right now. We can check in a second before the video ends. And I'm really close to completing the first one. And this is one of the only legendary Pokemon I have left. Or hard Pokemon I have left. So that's why I really want it. And that's why I haven't made a video ever using all three of the birds. Since I haven't had a chance to, since I don't have this guy. Or Articuno. The thing with Articuno is I at least have it in the index. Yes! Get him! We got there. Let's go. Well, the booster gives us more Stardust. And get in there. Oh, pretty good. Are these? Oh, yeah, that's something we haven't checked at all. I don't think. Oh, yeah, we only checked it. I think we checked it for all three. By the way, just want to mention, I saw this build today by myself, Dynamax. Oh yeah, I need to remove that video tag. Okay. But just delete it. Cool. I will make it a mega tag. Don't worry. And the Kanto League. Or Kanto in Pokédex. Anyway, thank you for watching.